cataract continues to be the leading cause of blindness and visual impairment. In developing countries, cataract account for about 50% of all blindness. In South Tripura district, which has many far-flung and remote areas, which faces transportation and communication-related issues, a large number of people are developing blindness without any hope for immediate cure. Various socioeconomic issues, lack of awareness, and unknown fear regarding outcome of surgery are the contributing factors. In order to deal with the challenge, a backlog cataract-free South Tripura district campaign named Netradeep was conceived. The project aimed to screen and treat all existing cataract patients in the district with an opportunity to train the health workers for screening and cure the patients in planned batches in a time-bound manner. The campaign had its onset on November 2019 and had two stages, number 1 screening and number 2 treatment. Pre-campaign sensitizations of Panchayat functionaries, ASHA workers, ANMs, MPWs, medical officers were done. The program was implemented successfully by creating public awareness through house-to-house survey, followed by screening. Before starting field-level screening, extensive IC activities were taken up through panchayats, through door-to-door visits, miking, posters and banners, etc. ASHA workers were trained to identify the cases by taking account of patients' symptomatology and were allowed to have door-to-door visit in their territory. The second level screening was done by ophthalmic assistants at health institutions, that is PHC, CHC, SGH level. They detected the early cases and advised for refraction, while advanced and mature cases were taken up for surgery. Inoperable cases and doubtful cases where prognosis was in dilemma were kept out for third level screening. Third level screening was done by the ophthalmologist and final cases were selected for surgery. In South Tripura district, as OT for eye was available only at Belonia Subdivisional Hospital, the operation were planned to be conducted at Belonia Subdivisional Hospital. A day prior to surgery, the patient were instructed to come to their nearby health institution. Transportation was arranged to carry the patients to Belonia Subdivisional Hospital along with their accompanying family members. Necessary logistics were arranged for patients as well as for the accompanying family members. Next day, the patients had undergone small incision cataract surgery with implementation of rigid intraocular lens. Next day, on the early morning, dressings were done and patients were discharged with necessary medicine and dark goggles. Transportation was arranged to send back the patients to their respective location. In total, 666 cases were operated from 27th November 2019 to 21st March 2020.
সাকসেসফুল হয়েছে আর বিনা খরচে বিনা পয়সা একটা পয়সা আমার খরচ হয়নি এইভাবে আমার চোখ অপারেশন হয়েছে এবং আমি এই জন্য খুবই খুশি
Though cataract is an ongoing age-related process and cannot be completely eliminated from society, but South Tripura district was the first district in the state to take initiative on whole population cataract screening by ASHAs and frontline health workers by each and every house-to-house visit. With necessary support from state level and active involvement of the community, the project could achieve the target of backlog cataract-free district by utilizing available resources of the government. Because of this project, lot of cataract patients could get back their vision to see the world again.